Hi everyone, it's Robin. I'm here with Nameless and we are starting this tutorial with Dazzle Dry Pedal to the Metal. I would like for you guys to contact Dazzle Dry every time I use her polish so that she knows to post this tutorial to all of her viewers so that they know how awesome Dazzle Dry is. So, I'm going to go in with OP Eyes, Embrace the Gray. I've added some white to this and I might add a little bit more, but then we're going to paint a snowman fight. So, I'm going at the bottom of these tips. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, so this is about the color of gray you want. Look at this. Light gray. And I'm going to go like this around here. Through the design, I'm going to have this poured out so that I don't have to make a color and a, excuse me. I don't have to make a color and a paint to match. And because this is going to be at the end of the nail, like this, I can cap the nail and it will last longer and it won't wear off. So for designs that are going to be thick with white paint, I try and do the undercoats with polish. And that's really the only time that I use polish like that. But with a brush on a tray. You guys know I mostly use acrylic paint to do my art, but for things like this, I want her nails to last, so this has to be gray polish. So I figured since I'm in the gray polish, I might as well pour it out and then start. So I'm going to do a few balls like this and then stack them. Bailey. And we're immature. So then there's this, and I'm going to do like this, okay? And then on it barely shows. And then on these, I'm going to go like this, and I'm just going to put some circulars like this. Oh, that looks weird. Like that. Like that. And just kind of build them up like this. And it will all make sense later, but I'm going to carry it around like that. And now, I also have a snowman tutorial where we are like, these are killer snowmen. Remember those? Nameless? They're in the Christmas playlist. Or, yeah, I don't think they might be in the dark playlist because they're really bloody. But if I remember, they were really awesome. Yeah. I don't show them a lot because it freaks people out during the Christmas season. But for those of you guys who want a darker Christmas look up Robin Moses Evil Snowman on YouTube because it's really worth the watch. Anyways, I'm going to finish this out. Okay, so now I have a lighter gray. It's almost white, but not quite. And I'm going in like this, then touching down, going in like this, and going in like this. They're slightly turned towards each other, like this. Okay, now for those of you guys who are saying your white paint cracks, that is because you're using it way too thick. So for this tutorial, I want to show you that you spray it down with water, boom, boom. Then you want to take it and get it like this thin. Now this is pure white. I've been working in this area. It's just a little bit gray. But see how thin it is? Now, dot, 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 dot. Then we're going to get the baby settled down and take you on to step, I don't remember, 3 or 4. But, hey, score. So when it's done, it looks like this. This is 2 coats of that, well, 2 thin coats of that light gray. Now with the white, you would go in and highlight in the centers and see how that makes it all look very 3D. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, that's a better light for this whole tutorial. But it goes like this into the center, like that. And I'm going to do a build-up of the snowballs. So I have this circle, circle, circle. They don't have to be perfect. They just have to look like a mound of snowballs. And if you look, mounds of snowballs are different. They're all different sizes, shapes, but they have to make a kind of a pyramid to give the illusion that it is a rack of snowballs. So then I take this, go through. I'm going to finish this layer, and then we're going to start decorating snowmen. Okay, so now the funny things start to happen. So I have everything out like this, okay? Boom, ready for the fight. So I'm going to use some dark gray right here, and then put it in like this, like that. Let me zoom in. Okay, so it's gonna go like this, boom. Then the eyeballs are gonna be coming off like this, boom. And his little mouth is gonna be like all over the spot. And oh, hold on a second, hold on. This is so funny to me. I am so sorry if I start laughing. And I also have like, I'm getting over bronchitis, so sorry if I start coughing. He's like, ah. Oh my God, that is so freaking funny to me. Okay, and then his hat is flying off. And just so you guys know, I used snowman clip art for the idea. I'm gonna wait for this to dry, but over here, he's gonna be like open. Oh gosh, and open. Like that. And he's gonna have this like face on him, like, I'm gonna get you, sucker. That's right. This is a, I wanna, there we go. Okay, now, normally, I wouldn't do this, but I'm gonna do this. Okay, here we go, here we go. It goes against, but just like a little evil grimace. There, that's perfect. And then he's gonna have his hat, and I'll probably color in the hats and give him scarves and stuff like that. And you know, I have a million snowman tutorials, so search Robin Moses Snowman if you want to learn how to decorate them. But what I do is I just put the colors over the top. But there's that. Now that will imply that he is the snowballer, like this. And now for the pièce de résistance right here. Boom! Smacked in the head with a I should get like some kind of award for being immature. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, Robin. Why don't you wear nails? Oh my gosh, Robin. Because I'm too immature to wear nails. That's the truth. Okay, boom. Oh my gosh, that's so funny to me. So. Okay, so I'm going to give them hair and all the goggles and all that. Okay, meet you back. Boop. Okay, and here is the end result. So. Oh my gosh, these are the funnest nails ever. I hope you guys try them. The thumb. And you get the brushes at robinmosesnailart.com. And I use the same brush, the wand, for all 1,300 of my tutorials. And I use acrylic paint from the craft store. And anything that you want to know, I usually say as much as I can. And if you want to know more, please leave me a comment in the comment box below. Because of net neutrality, my channel is one of the channels that are in danger. So please share this in any video that you love and keep it going. And I love you guys. Thank you for all you do, and have a Merry Christmas. Bye. Bye. Boop.